Hello good people, greetings from Engramium Plus, your go-to partner for everything from web development and customization to support and optimization. Welcome back to the e-commerce series. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a variable product in WooCommerce. Step by step, variable products are one of the most advanced product types in WooCommerce. They let you offer different variation of the same product like size, color, materials, all under one main listing. So whether you are selling t-shirt, shoes, hoodies, or anything that comes with multiple options, this tutorials is for you. Let's dive in. Before creating the variable product with WooCommerce, let's give a quick example. For example, this is a hoodie. In the product page, customer can choose the color option blue, green, red. Customer can choose the logo, whether they want the logo or not. Even you can give the customer to choose the size as well. As they select these options, the product update automatically showing the right price, image and the availability. There's the power of WooCommerce variable product. Let's see how to create one. First, we'll head over to our WordPress dashboard. Before we begin, make sure the WooCommerce plugin is installed and activated. If you don't have it yet, you can install it by going plugins, add new, and search for the WooCommerce. The search in here. Once installed, activate it. I have added a link in the video description below to help you get started with the WooCommerce. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss further tutorials on WooCommerce and WordPress. So we have installed and activated the WooCommerce already. After activating the WooCommerce, we will get a menu called WooCommerce, Products, Payments, Analytics, Marketing, and so on. From the products, we will click on Add New Product. And in here, we will give a title. For example, we will be selling a shoes, Air Jordan 1, Air Jordan 1. For the product description, I am using ChatGPT. For example, let me copy this description. Let's copy and paste it in here. So our product description has been added. One of the most important thing, that is product data. To create the variable product, we need to select the variable product. So we'll be clicking on this, got it. After choosing the product data as the variable product, we'll get an addition of attributes. This is where we define our product options like size and colors. And we need a separator to configure the different option, for example blue, red, green. You will get that separator on your keyboard above the enter or return sign as per your own keyboard or machine. So we are going to create two attributes. That one is size. For example, the size, let's configure the size small, medium, large. We will hit save attributes and we will click add new. Another attribute will be color and the values will be red, black, green and orange. After that, we will hit save attributes. Now we will go to variations and we will click generate variations. We'll hit OK and it will generate all the variations. WooCommerce will automatically create every combination like small red, medium yellow, orange, large orange and so on. For each variations, you will need to set the price. For example, the small, large, upload the image specific variation. Optionally, you can adjust the stock and SKU as well. Let's check one by one. For example, small red, we will click on edit and we'll upload an image Let's upload the image from here. Please note that I am configuring this one as the demonstration purpose, and these all are dummy data. The regular price is 1200 and the sale price is 1100, and it's in stock. After that we will edit small black. Let's configure another one. We will select this image, regular price 200, sale price is 150. Like this we have to select and configure each one of the combination, and for this let's select this one, 110, small orange. Let's configure this one, sale price is 13, 2, sale price is 1312. And just like that we have to configure all of them. But for now I am going to save the changes. One thing I would like to mention in here, if you forget to configure the price of the variation, that product won't appear as the purchasable, so double check all of your variations. Now let's add the detailed product description in here, that is short description. I'm using ChatGPT for the description. We'll copy this one and we will paste it in here. Our product description, short description has been added. Now we will set the product featured image. So for the featured image we are going to select this image, and for the product gallery we are going to select this one, also this one. Let's configure few of them. Now we need to configure product categories, for example clothing, and we can create another categories, shoes, product tag year, Nike, Jordan. Brands, let's create a brand. We have added the brand. Now before publishing the product we can preview it as well. Let's preview the product. As you can see we have configured the size, we have configured the color. Let's select this one, for example small, just black, and it's showing the price as per our selection. Now we will go back to our WordPress dashboard, the product, and we will hit publish, and we can view our variable product. So this is how easy it is to create a variable product. Now one thing I would like to mention in here, that is while creating the variation we can select default from the values. For example, if we would like to show the default as the small and red, we can do that as well. Let's update this one, and if we go to the product, or we can view the product, it will show as per our own preference. That's it, you have successfully created a variable product in WooCommerce. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification so you don't miss our next tutorials. Got any questions? Drop them in the comment below. I would love to help you out. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.